do? It's Alicia here, and I am here to do a YouTube video with my Jaclyn Hill palette volume 2. I just recently purchased this palette. I waited a while before I did this palette, and so if you want to know, for my eyeshadow, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape. So, yeah, so started on that real good. Let's see. Here, I know what I want. And I am going to highlight under my eye with my concealer from L'Oreal Infallible, and I think this is a Walnut 395. I will put it in the description box, so just so you check that out and everything. I hope everybody is having a nice, safe day, and always say something kind to your neighbor. Alright. So we're going to take this and we're just going. We're going to use this halfway, and then we're going to use the other, and then use the brush. Yep. Alright. Now we're going to use this brush. And if you're wondering what foundation I use, let me see. It is my favorite one. I like using. So yeah. So that's that. But yeah. Alright. And we're going to actually sit under the eye. And this is the Black Radiance Complexion Setting Powder in Banana. Yeah, so yeah. We're gonna come up with a beautiful look on the spot. Alright. So if you see something different, yes, mommy cut her hair. So this is the palette I'm using. I do have the original palette. I just haven't used it in a while. So I am going to be using the newer one. And it's gonna get started, and we're gonna be taking Gateful right here. We're gonna take this color right here. So yeah. And we're just gonna put that in the crease. Tap that off a little bit. But like I said, I hope everybody is doing well and staying safe. just to make sure we get that blended completely. We're going to take this brush and we're just going to so the next color we're going to take, also in that crease, is going to be this beautiful yellow. We're not going to do too much of the yellow, but we're going to do the yellow one. And where did I do the brush? And we're going to take this same brush and we're going to go in Joke. The next, we're going to take this brush and we're going to go in this like real pretty gold color right next to it. I think it's called Tanya right here. And we're going to go in with that all over the on the lid. And that's the color of that. And let me find it. And we're going to use, no. We're going to take this brush and we're going to go in with Certificate. I think that's how you pronounce that. It's this color right here. As a brow bone highlight right in here. And we're going to come back in with Grateful right under the brow bone and pull it all the way up. So we're going to bring in a little bit of the yellow in there. It's like, all right. And now we're just going to finish it off. So we're going to take this brush here. And we're going to take CoverGirl Queen Collection in medium deep to finish everything up. And for a blush, I'm gonna go with my favorite blush. This is LA Rouge in Poppy. One of my favorite blushes. We're going to use two things for highlight. And we're going to be using Hustle and Glow. There go the highlight. And we're just going to do a little bit, just a little tap from the bridge of the nose. There you go. And we'll go back in. Where is those brushes? With these brushes right here. These are my favorite brushes to go back in with to make sure everything is blended. There we go. And for lipstick, we're going to be using none other Revlon, and it's the 130, and it's Rose Velvet. This beautiful color. And there you go. That is it. That's the... And that is the end of the look. I think the look came out pretty good. Oh, but before I do finish up, let me do my brows right quick. And there you go. That is it. And I will try to list everything anything I used and try to list where you can get them from. Until then, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.